Welcome everybody to Algebra 1 CST release question number 21. Here's what it says. It says, which of the following is a valid conclusion of the statement? If a student is a high school band member, then the student is a good musician. And so what can we conclude validly or correctly about this statement? So if you have a student that's a high school band member, therefore then that student is going to be a good musician. So all good musicians are high school band members. I would say no, that's not a valid conclusion based on this statement here. So if they're in high school band, they're a good musician. But just because they're a good musician doesn't mean they have to be in a high school band. And so you could say no. You've got a lot of band members or a lot of musicians out there that maybe never played in a high school band. A student is a high school band member. Can we conclude that? No, a student doesn't have to be a high school band member just because this would be true. Not all students are going to be a high school band member, a particular student. Choice C, all students are good musicians. Well, I know I'm not that good of a musician. I used to be a student, and based on here, you have to be in the high school band to be, according to this statement, a good musician, which is therefore what choice D is saying that's going to be the correct choice. All high school band members are good musicians. It says if a student is a high school band member, so if high school band member, then good musician. That's what we have going on here. The first part is true. The second part is also going to follow from the first part based on that. So number 21 is choice D.